Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. So this is Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School Hiswa. Once again, students, present before you to solve some questions of exercise 34, class 5th, chapter number 9, and the chapter name is multiplication and division of decimal. So friends, we will start for solving the questions. And these questions are related to the conversion of fraction into decimal fraction. So the topic is conversion of a fraction into a decimal fraction. Now friends, if you look at this subtopics very consciously, then we will come to know about this is the conversion, means change of a fraction into a decimal fraction. So the fraction, that means we have to change the fraction into the decimal fraction. Here is the word decimal fraction, friends. Actually you had already learned in the previous video lecture what about the decimal fraction. So the decimal fraction means fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. These are called the decimal fraction, and those decimal fractions are in the form as decimal form, means like 0.2, 2.56, 3, 6.9, etc. If you now change this, that means this is 2 by 10, so this is 256 by 100. So now we will solve such type of questions that we have to convert the fraction in terms of decimal fraction. Now friends, let's begin this session from exercise 34. And now for the first question says express the following common fractions as decimal fractions. Express the following fractions, express the following common fractions as decimal fractions. Now see friends, here the question 1 has 5 sub questions and we will solve only one questions. Okay, now see the question E, because all questions A, B, C, D are the similar of question E. Now see friends, now what was the topic, friends? Conversion of a fraction into a decimal fraction. So look at the friends, this is the fraction and we have to convert this fraction into decimal fraction. The question says express the following common fractions as decimal fraction, means we have to make this given fraction into decimal fraction. Now how we can convert? That means friends, 1 divided by 1 to 125 means that this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So we have to divide this 1 by 125. So now I start, friend. 125 is 1 is divided 125. Now friends, see, place the decimal. Here is the 1 times 0. Okay, now this is less than this divisor, so divisor should be equal to this dividend or less than this dividend, but this is the divisor. Here the dividend is less than its divisor. Now once again place the 0 here, also 0. Even 1 becomes 100, so 100 is even less than 125. Once again we have to place the 0, then proceed. So now friends, see, if you place here the 1 0, here also 1 0, so this became 1000. Now read the table of 125. 125 is the how many times? 8 times. If you multiply the 8 times, you will get the 1000. So friends, your answer is 0.008. I hope you will get. Now see friends, this 0.008 is nothing but it is the decimal fractions, and you know friends that example of this is the example of decimal fraction. Okay, now we have already changed this 1 by 125 into decimal fraction 0.008. So this is the solution. Now see the next one. Now see friends, second question says convert the following to decimal fractions. So, and question number 2 has 5 sub questions as A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D. So we have taken only one as E. This is 26 divided by 125. The same question as question number 1. Now start solving friends. Divide 26 by 125. Now friends, look at this is the 26 is dividend. So now dividend should be greater than the divisor or equal to, then we can divide. So this is less than friends. Now place the decimal here. 0 is the standard form. Now place the 0. Now friends, now apply this 125 is how many times? This is 2 times. If you want to 2 times, 125 is 2 times means 250. 250 friends. Okay. Subtract 0. This is 1. Okay. So write the 0 in. Now friends, see here is the, after subtracting here is the 10. So now place the 0 here. Once again we get 100. So 100 is obviously less than this divisor. So we will make this greater than or divisor or equal to. Now in order to make the greater, the place here is the 0. Also here 0. Now apply the table. Yes, this is 8 times 125. 8 times is 1000. So this is your answer friends. So the answer is 0.208. And look at friends, this is decimal fraction. Okay, this is answer. Now friends, see question number 3rd, and 3rd has 5 sub questions A, B, C, D and E. Okay, and we have taken only one sub question as D. So the D, same question is here, convert the following to a decimal fraction. When we have to change the given fraction into decimal. But look at the friend, this is the fraction is mixed fraction. Okay, now change this mixed fraction into improper. Now the solution is, now multiply this 8 multiplied by 7. This is 56, and 56 and plus 7. This is 3 and this is 63. 63 divided by 8. Now divide, because we are going to change into decimal fraction. Divide 63 by 8. So how many times? 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 8 5 ja, 8 6 ja, 8 7 ja, 8 7 ja friends, 8 7 ja 56, and now the 7 is balanced. So here is the point, here is 0. So once again divide 8 8 ja, 8 8 ja 64. So 6 is here, 0. Now apply 8 1 ja, 8 6 ja, 8 5. Sorry, 8 7 ja 56. So 4 0 8 5 ja 40. So this is your answer friends. Your answer is 7.875. So friends, I hope you feel very easy to solve the questions and there is no problem at all for every question. So your homework friends, exercise 34, homework, questions 1 to 3. Okay, so please solve all the questions to make the fair copying neat and clean. If you have any doubt, confusion, please comment in the comment box below. Write your name, roll number, class as well, and contact me if required. Okay, have a nice day.